Hello, writers. So, for your last day of writing and drafting, you are going to tie in all of the work that you've done this week and put in your introductory paragraph, your three body paragraphs, and your conclusion together in one piece. But before you do that, I need you to look through your paper and make sure that there are no errors. So, we are going to revise and edit. You're going to look at your paper. Since it's virtual, you do have the benefit of looking on your document and it'll tell you where you've made mistakes. So here, it looks like I've misspelled the word intelligent. I'm going to click on it and it gives me a suggestion. And now it's fixed. So as you go through and do this for any words that may be spelt incorrectly, you're going to do that. And then lastly, you're going to read through your draft and see if there's anything that you need to add. You're going to go back and use strategies to make sure your sentences are all varying lengths, they're all different. Add any details. Make sure you add transitional words, writing incomplete sentences, that your proper nouns are capitalized. So all of the writing strategies that we have put to practice over the last few weeks and since the beginning of the school year. If you have any questions or you just want to share your writing, please feel free to reach out and I would love to see it. Good luck.